You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
Bro, I hope you're ready for this video, man. I might can make this a whole entire series, but trading psychology is so much deeper than what we think it is. It runs deep, man. You all, like, when I first started, and this still happens, you always ask yourself, why did I get out early? Why did I over leverage? Why did I take this trade? Why am I acting like this? And all of it goes back to what has happened to you in the past. I swear, man, really hear me out in this video. This is about to get really deep, man. It's about to get really deep. Who you are in the market is who you are outside of trading. If you are impatient and you feel like you need to prove yourself all the time, you feel like you need to be right all the time, that's how you're gonna be in the market. You should never wake up in the morning like, I have to trade or I have to be right today. I still have that problem. I'm not perfect, but me learning from my mentors and them telling me that you should not try to come to the market and be right every day, because you can be 30% right and still be profitable at the end of the month. So when you have so much pressure on yourself, especially when you're trying to chase financial freedom, you're trying to chase getting out of your job, a lot of people counting on you, your mind is formulating, it's like a programming. So if you're trading and you come to the charts and in your mind you like, man, I have to get out this job. You know what I'm saying? My mom counting on me and my kids counting on me. Everybody is counting on me to be like the Messiah. You know what I'm saying? Once you put that pressure on yourself, you're gonna force setups and you're gonna feel like you need to be right. And that is probably why you're getting out of trades early. You need to be right. So you enter a trade, you up 3-4 pips, and you already, and another role that plays into trading psychology is if you've been losing a lot. So now you in your mind, you in fight or flight mode. You see that you're finally in profit, you take it. You like, man, I can't lose this trade, and you take it. I went through that so many times. Sometimes I still go through that. I'll be in a losing streak, I'll be up in profit, and your mind is like, man, you need to take this win. You need to win. Because if you don't win, what are you going to do? Stay in your job. It's so much going on in your thought process when you're taking trades. It's ridiculous, man. So it's 3 things that you really need to conquer, man, when you're taking these trades, man. Like, I'm telling you, man, please take this video seriously. It's 1, awareness. Awareness, man. That is key. You have to know when you are impulsively thinking. Like this, man, I know this gonna like go over a lot of people's head, but understand why you're thinking like this. Understand why you are taking this trade. Ask yourself when you wake up in the morning, why am I trading today? What is making me trade today? Am I doing this for myself? Or am I doing this for Instagram? Am I doing this for subscribers? You know what I'm saying? Are you trading just for you? Ask yourself that. Because if you're not doing it for you, or your decisions is not pure, or how can I say this? You're not really doing it for yourself. You're really doing it for other people's approval. It's gonna be tough for you in the market. And a lot of people keep asking me, can you live trade? Can you live trade? I'm probably not. I'm probably not. I might in the future, but right now, no. I'm so focused on me, I don't have time to be trying to go on YouTube live, trying to win a trade for y'all. And I know that might sound like, damn, that's fucked up, but bro, I don't want that pressure on me. I'm still human. Imagine you trading and you go on YouTube live. I'm not saying I don't know how to trade, but I actually want to win the trade without feeling emotional and having pressure. I won't be going, like, it's other YouTube channels that trade live, right? They are doing great with that. That's absolutely great. Some are struggling. That's still great too. But me personally, I'm talking about me. I don't want that pressure on me. I want to be calm and collected. I don't want to have other people's opinion, people asking me questions when I literally want to win the trade to the best of my ability. So I don't need nobody else's approval. So let's go back to the awareness. You have to be aware of why you're doing this. Why are you taking this trade? Why is your stop loss so big? Why you keep increasing your lot size when you're not getting better as a trader? You have to be aware of that. I think I wrote down something over here. Where's it at? Okay. The second one, outside of awareness, catching yourself doing the bad habit that you keep doing. So, revenge trading. You lose a trade, you feel like you're entitled for that money back. Fear of missing out. You're entering at a bad area and your stop loss is huge. Once you catch yourself doing that, that's one step closer of being in control of your trading. Because once you identify, like, man, every time I lose back to back, I have this urge in me to like get the money back. Once you really can catch yourself having those, like you can feel yourself wanting to do that. Once you can feel that in that moment, you're just one step closer to being in control of yourself. So, I want to go back to feeling like you have to be a hero, man. That is so key, man. When I lost all that money, man, when I first started, I felt like, man, I have to do this, man. I have to do this for my mom. I have to get good at trading. I can't be wrong. I need to grow my account. I don't need to take no losses. And that's not trading. Trading it's so hard to detach from trading because your goal is so much bigger than you. It's like it's so much pressure on us, man. And it's just, you have to really be okay with losing. Once you really accept that, okay, I can really lose, like fully accept it. A lot of people say they okay with losing, but when it gets to their stop loss, or they pray that it turn around. You know what I'm saying? Or you don't understand when to cut a loss early. You haven't fully accepted the risk. That is so important. You have to fully accept it. So say if you go up $300, and your mind is like, man, take this money, right? Take this money. But you aiming for a 2-to-1 risk reward, which is $600. Say I go back to your entry, right? And now you only up $50. Most people will close that. Most people will close it. But if you fully accept that I'm risking $200 to make $600, you're not gonna care, because that $200, you don't care about it, because you literally accepted that if this trade goes south, I can lose $200, and I'm okay with it. I'm fully okay with losing $200. Once you get to that level, you reaching another pinnacle in trading, because you literally so emotionless to the outcome of whatever happened in this situation. So you have to fully accept the risk. It's tough, man, because we so programmed to, we have to be right all the time. Like, this society is so programmed to us having to be right. We have to prove ourselves. We have to get our point across. Imagine if you call out a signal, right, and you're wrong. You're gonna feel some type of way. And especially if other people around you is telling you that that wasn't a good call. Now you feel like you need to prove yourself on your next trade. Your next trade is gonna be like, okay, I gotta be right this time, because other people's opinions is affecting my decision making in the market. That's true, man. That's why I don't have no group chats. I don't rock with no group chats. I'm a very private person. I'm not like no other Forex trader. I'm me. I'm not saying I'm special, but I'm me. This is who I am. I'm not open like that. I don't share a lot of stuff. I share trading related stuff, but personal stuff in my life, you have to meet me in person to really know who I really am. You get what I'm saying? So I'm not trading for nobody else but me. You know what I'm saying? I can literally, bro. Okay, bro. I can literally end my YouTube channel right now and not feel any type of way. I helped a lot of people. A lot of people understand trading. Some people don't. And it's just like, at the end of the day, I'm trading for me, as you should be trading for you. So let's go to the third thing. I feel like I'm all over the place, but like I said, trading psychology can get really deep, bro. And this can be like a whole series, but let's just get to the third one. Now this next level. I'm not even on this level. Noticing when your thoughts are coming in when you're trading. That's next level. That's next level of really being aware, okay? Noticing that you are thinking about doing an impulse trade. Like you are aware of the thought coming in. That's next level, okay? A lot of people not there. I'm not there. But once you see the thought come in and you can observe it and realize that, no, that's just my old programming coming in. Or like, I don't really need to be doing that. This is not a good area to buy or sell. News is about to come out. I'm not following my rules. Once you can see the thought coming in and you just block it out, that's you're gonna get to the next level in trading, man. I'm trying to reach that level right there. Noticing when my thoughts are coming in to do a bad habit. That's next level for sure. So it's 2 books that I recommend you read for trading psychology. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Everybody know that that book. And another one called The Power of Now. I forgot the name of the author, but The Power of Now. It's more of a spiritual book, but it really it opens you up and have your mind just open up just a little bit more about why you act out a certain way, how others affect you, whether it's spiritually or emotionally. And once I read the book, The Power of Now, because I'm already a spiritual person. I don't know if people know this, but I'm very spiritual. I crystals and I meditate and I pray and stuff. I'm really spiritual. But when I read that book, it made me realize that I have a lot of unhealed stuff when I was a kid. Like when I was a kid, like it's a lot of trauma that I've been through when I was a kid. So once I went through that pain, that's still converted into the market, whether you know it or not. It's a reason why you feel like you need to prove yourself. It's a reason why you keep cutting your wins early and you're praying that don't hit your stop loss. It's a reason because you're programming from when you was a kid or traumatic events that happened in your life. You still haven't overcame that. You haven't let it go. I'm telling you, who you are in the market is how you trade. I mean, my bad. Let me say that again. Who you are outside of trading is how you're going to trade. I'm telling you. If you are an impatient person, if you driving fast, you're a scalper. You're a scalper. If you're really patient and you was that kid that like reading books, you might be a swing trader. You know what I'm saying? You might not even trade for it. You might be in the stock market. So everything that you do in the market is a reflection of you. Trust me. If you over leveraging, you rushing your goal to quit your job, you are impatient. Everybody's impatient. Look at society. Look at how fast our phones is, how fast internet is. We are programmed to want things fast. We got 5G coming out. It's just zipping fast. Nobody can understand the word process. The word process is not the norm in today's society. We want the McDonald's meal. We want the microwave society. Everything has to be like this. But when somebody tell you, oh, this might take 2 to 3 years to actually get good at, they don't want to do it. Trading psychology is so deep, man. I'm not an expert. I am not a counselor. But my mentors have talked to me individually, and it woke me up into something I can't even explain. I'm just trying to share to somebody that's new that really need to take psychology seriously, because once you be aware of why you do these bad habits in the market, you're going to get to that next level. You're going to be holding your trades longer. You're going to understand that I need to accept this loss if I do lose. I don't need to be over leveraging. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot that goes on into this. I might make another video on this, but I hope this video kind of open you up a little bit. trading the Forex market is really, really deep. And it's not just a buy and sell. It's not just a strategy. It's bigger than you. It is you. Forex is you. So if you're treating it like a money-making machine, it's not even that, bro. It's not even that. So that's all I gotta say, man. Let me know if y'all want to get a part 2 to this. If not, that's cool. But that's all I got, man. Peace and love. I'm out.